Hey guys, Zen here. Today we're checking out these rechargeable AA batteries with battery charger from POWEROWL. Inside the box you get the batteries themselves, a battery charger, a micro USB charging cable, an instruction manual, and a user's manual. So let's unwrap these batteries and see what it can do. When I'm at the house, I have plenty of ways to charge AA and AAA batteries, but that's a little bit different when I leave the house or I'm on a trip. Currently in the electronics bag that I take with me most everywhere I go, I have my burner Wi-Fi hotspot, I have battery cables, batteries, chargers, all kinds of stuff. But in here I have this micro USB powered battery charger, and I can charge AA's and AAA batteries in here. The only thing about it is that it's kind of limiting. You can put 4 AA's in, 4 AAA's in, 2 AA's, 2 AAA's, but when you need to charge batteries, you're going to need sometimes 3 of one thing, and this won't do that. They won't charge them each independently. You have to do them in groups. This battery charger also charges with a micro USB cable, but I can charge each battery independently. So I can put a AA, AAA, 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 AA, AAA in here, and each one of them will charge independently. And it's still small enough to fit in my little electronics bag. Let's plug in our charger here. We have our micro USB cable plugged in. Start putting in our batteries. Now this charger will accept nickel metal hydride batteries, or it will take nickel cadmium batteries, which I don't have any of those. Everything I have is nickel metal hydride for at least AA and AAA batteries. We'll just watch that charge for a little bit while I tell you about these batteries. They are 1.2 volts each, and they will maintain a steady discharge level of 1 volt for as long as they hold the capacity. So that means that regular batteries, like alkaline batteries or whatever, will start off real strong given all the power they got. But as you're using, say, the flashlight or something, they will kind of slowly dim down and not really give you as much output as they did when they first began. These batteries are going to give you 100% of their power as long as there's power in the battery, and then it'll just kind of drop off instantly. They can be recharged up to 1,200 times. So if you take that and take out every day for the year, that's 365, that's 3.28 years of using these batteries from completely topped off full to completely empty once a day. It says that these batteries will deliver outstanding performance at extremely low temperatures up to -4 degrees. But I think that's Celsius. In freedom units, that's going to be 24 degrees and all the way up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. After a couple hours, it was time for me to go night-night, so I unplugged this thing, and in the morning we plugged it back in. It took about another half hour, but these things started turning green. The last one took about another half hour, and then it finally turned green. Let's try out some other batteries and see how well they do. We have a AnyLoop Pro AA. These all should be pretty well charged. We have one of the, I guess, second edition AnyLoop batteries. Let's see if I can find a first gen. Here's one of the first ones with the crown on it. Let's put an old Energizer in here. Let's put, I don't know what this is. Let's put an Amazon Basic from way back when. Ooh, here's another AnyLoop, different flavor. I've had some of these for almost a decade. Now I got two of these that are flashing red. So green is charged, red is charging, and flashing red means that it's a bad battery. Let's take Loop Pro AAAs, stick it in there. Okay, well you can see that they're all independently charging. You can put different brands in there as long as they're the same chemical type. These are all nickel metal hydrides, and you can let them charge. So it looks like this charger works, even though it's pretty slow to charge batteries. And I think that's because it's using a micro USB charging cable. If they put a USB-C port on here, allow it to get a little bit more power, I think it would charge a lot faster. But it's small and compact. It can charge 8 batteries, say overnight, which is still perfect for what I need. I don't need a 2-hour charge for batteries when I do this. It's not that much bigger than my current portable battery charger. It would be kind of awesome if they had a display up here that would tell you like percentage of charge or something like that. But for the price, getting 8 batteries and the charger that I can take anywhere, seems like a pretty okay deal. The batteries, it's going to take me a while to really test those out because everything that I have that uses AA batteries is something that I'm not going to use every single day, or it doesn't require a lot of power, like a carbon monoxide detector or some motion sensor lights that I have in our closet or in the bathroom, something like that. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.